Welcome back. Angie Edge from Dairy Farmers of Wisconsin is back with us. And, you know, who doesn't want a cheese board? And this is the perfect time of year to be able to make a really nice one for the whole family and friends.
And I know how much you love Wisconsin cheese,
Absolutely.
so I can't wait to share this with you. Of course, November is a season of entertaining. So whether you're having Thanksgiving or Friendsgiving seems to be a popular new trend. Not only are you getting together with your family, but your closest friends as well. So no party is complete without a Wisconsin cheese board.
You gotta have it.
And you can get, you know, as crazy as you'd like. You can make a really fancy charcuterie board, but it's really simple just to set out a few 3 to 4 beautiful pieces of cheeses with some accompaniments, and it really makes the cheese board integrated and engaging, so people can cut their own cheeses and talk and have wine and beer and all those fun things. So it's really the center of the party. So I'm going to share some of the cheeses. Do you have a favorite cheese, Josh?
Everything? Any cheese, yeah.
So this is one of my favorite here. We have the Raleigh Red Rock.
Oh, it looks so
it's
cool.
strikingly beautiful.
Yes.
It's made in southern Wisconsin by Raleigh Cheese House. It's made by a Wisconsin master cheesemaker, Chris Raleigh. But you'll notice that really bright orange color is the annatto in the cheddar that's really just bright and bold that makes the star of the cheese board. And then there's blue veins surrounded. So it's a cheddar blue, American style, but then it's been aged in a cave for 60 days.
Yum.
So you get that beautiful, full flavor of that. And of course, award-winning as well. Chris Raleigh is a 4th-generation cheesemaker here in Wisconsin. So great story to tell. I love this one too because it's November right here. And this is the Imperial Buck. So if you look at the label, there's a nice big buck there. Everyone's out hunting, right? Yeah. But this is a dark, nutty cheddar, actually, that's won a lot of awards. It's the only cheese that's won Best U.S. Cheese twice in a row at the International Cheese Award. So I can't wait for you to try this cheddar. You can slice them off. And then, of course, a cheese board is nice to have lots of different textures and flavors and colors. And so a cheese spread is always nice as well. So we have a pine rubber Swiss and almond spread that's like just really fun. They make 20 to 30 different varieties, another award-winning cheese company. And then it's always Wisconsin Gouda. We have a piece of Gouda here as well. So this is made by Marika Gouda, aged for 12 to 18 months. She has won over 300 awards for all of her cheeses, and this is the most awarded cheese she has. Another Wisconsin master cheesemaker. So I can't wait for you to try all of these. You can see there's different shapes, colors, textures, and then you can really have some fun with the accompaniments. Very seasonal too. There's the cranberry jam, which screams Thanksgiving and Friendsgiving. And then some grapes, whether you have the red or the dark grapes. We have some sea salt crackers, some garlic breadsticks, and any kind of dried fruits or accompaniments just to add lots of color to your board as well. So there's really no hard rules as long as you're using Wisconsin cheese.
And the variety, I like some options. So
yeah,
this looks great.
So you're sure to find something that everyone at your party will love. Wisconsin makes over 600 varieties, types, and styles. So there is lots of room to, experiment with different flavors and styles.
Just got to find that proudly Wisconsin badge.
You just got to look for the badge. You know it.
Oh, I learned it by now.
Yes.
All right, Angie, thank you so much. Appreciate it.